Morning routines with your child who has ADHD don't have to be as chaotic as they always are. Hi, I'm Dr. Moradi. I'm a licensed clinical child psychologist, and this is the third part of a series where I'm giving some tips and identifiers for ADHD. For this part, we know how important routines are, and one of the biggest areas that I see families struggling the most are with morning routines, so getting your child ready and out of the door for school. Stay tuned for the last tip, which I think is one of the most helpful for all the families that I've seen. The first huge tip is to prep everything the night before, and I would recommend that you involve your child in this prep work as well, whether you assign it as a chore or a routine, and you also give them rewards or praise for doing this. This is going to help that frantic push in the morning to get everything ready and get out the door. The second tip is to use a visual schedule in the morning and to make sure every single piece is as clear as it can be. Whether you have to use pictures or to break down certain rules in the house, make sure that you lay this all out on that visual checklist. For example, if in the morning they have to get their backpack ready and be by the door, I wouldn't add this all as one part of the checklist. I would break it down for them as much as possible. Put your books in your bag, number 1. Put your bag by the door, number 2. Put your shoes on, number 3. And stand by the door by 7 a.m., number 4. So you have to break all of this down for them and let them check off each step. The most important thing again is to be as clear and objective as possible for each step, so you're setting everybody up for success. Finally, the third biggest tip that I would recommend is to keep transitions very, very short and to use timers. This is crucial. It helps you know exactly what to expect from your child. It helps your child learn time a little bit better, because usually kids with ADHD have a little hint of time blindness, so it's hard for them to keep track. So make sure everything is in short steps and you set the timer for each piece of the morning routine. Hopefully these tips help, and if you couple them also with giving rewards, like maybe some screen time during the car ride to school, that can also really help give them that extra push to get moving. If you have any questions or if you want to come up with a specific behavior plan together, please reach out to me. The link is in my bio, and I have a free 15-minute phone consultation. If you're also worried that your child might have ADHD, that's something that we can evaluate together as well. I also have a completely free checklist on my website if you're looking for some questions that you might want to prepare to ask your psychologist if you're receiving an ADHD evaluation for your child. So go visit the link if you want to download that free PDF. As always, please let me know if you have any questions, and follow for more parenting tips to support your child's mental health.